Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to make this 3D cut effect in your lettering in Procreate. With this tutorial, you will learn how to make a 3D letter using the transformation tool and how to easily create a subtle drop shadow on your canvas. The color palette is available for free thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! So first, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. Let's set your background. Drop this white-yellow color on your canvas. Go to your brush library, airbrushing brush set, and select soft brush. Select this color from the color palette, and use your brush at the top of your canvas. Let's create the letter. For this, we need to create a large size monoline brush. Go to your brush library, calligraphy, slide from right to left on the monoline brush, and duplicate it. Tap on the duplicated monoline brush. Inside the Brush Studio, set spacing to 10% and streamline to max. Go to the properties and set the maximum brush size to 170%. Then tap Done at the top right. Create a new layer. Choose this purple color from the color palette. Choose a large brush size. Create your C shape with your new monoline brush. Then hold your Apple Pencil on your screen. Put a finger on your screen to create a perfect circle shape, and move your Apple Pencil to rotate your shape correctly. If you want to learn how to make more shapes on Procreate, I invite you to watch this video. Go to your Layers panel, tap on your layer and enable Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Take this purple color and use it on top of your letter with the soft brush. Tap the Selection tool. Choose Freehand mode at the bottom. Then select one part of your letter. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas to open the Copy-Paste menu. If you want to learn more about the Copy-Paste menu, I invite you to watch this video. Tap Cut and Paste. Then duplicate the two parts and fill them with this light purple color. Let's now create the 3D letter. Select those two layers and tap the Transformation tool. Reduce the size of your letter and move it towards the bottom of your canvas. Now hide the top left side of your letter. Tap the Selection tool, choose Freehand mode, color fill, and select this purple color. Then connect the edges between the bottom and the top part of your letter. enable alpha lock on this layer. Select this purple color and use the soft brush to create shadows on your letter. Let's do the same process for the top part of the letter. Hide the other parts. Tap the selection tool. For this cut part of your letter, we will use a bright color like this pink color, as if we had cut a piece of cake. Freehand mode, color fill, and connect those edges. Tap Save and Load and save your selection. We will use it right after to create a gradient. Enable Alpha Lock. Tap the Selection tool. Disable Color Fill and tap your saved selection. Tap the Pen tool. Select this pink color and use your soft brush. Long tap the selection tool, tap invert, and use this purple color on this side of your letter. Now unhide all your layers and reorder them this way. Let's add an highlight below the top part of your letter. Duplicate those two parts and drop this light yellow color on it. Change the opacity to around 30% by tapping two fingers on each layer. Tap the Transform tool and move your layers slightly to the bottom. And now you can move those three layers to reveal the cut part of your letter. Let's add the shadows on your canvas. Hide the background layer. Create a new layer. Go to the Actions menu, copy canvas, then paste. Put this layer at the bottom. Bring back the background. Tap the Transformation tool and distort your layer by dragging this node. Go to the Adjustments menu, Hue, Saturation and Brightness in Layer Mode, then reduce the brightness. tap the letter N on your layer, then lower the opacity. For the finishing touches, first make sure everything is in the middle of your canvas. Select all your layers by sliding from left to right. Tap the transformation tool and make sure that snapping is on. Then drag everything in the middle of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen Layer, slide to adjust to around 50%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration in Layer Mode, slide to adjust to around 5%, go back to the Adjustments menu one last time, tap Noise Layer, and slide to adjust to 5%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!